Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the chip. How deep is it? And are you down to primer or bare metal? Once you know, clean the area with a degreaser and dry it thoroughly so filler will adhere. Next, mask off about 1/4 inch beyond the damaged zone to protect surrounding paint. Lightly sand the edges with 180 to 220 grit until the perimeter is feathered. This creates a mechanical key. These first steps set you up for a durable, invisible repair. Now you fill the chip. Choose epoxy filler for metal door edges or a wood filler for wooden doors and mix exactly as directed. You should overfill slightly because you will sand back to shape. Let the compound cure fully so it won't tear out. Sand in stages. Start with 120, move to 220, then finish with 320 grit for a smooth blend. Remove all dust with a tack cloth, then spray 2 thin coats of primer, waiting about 10 to 15 minutes between coats. You finish by applying color-matched paint and light, even passes. Use 2 to 3 coats, allowing proper drying time between each so layers don't sag. Once cured, inspect the surface. If it looks uneven, wet sand gently with 1000 to 1500 grit, and then polish with a fine rubbing compound for shine and blend. If you see peeling or heavy orange peel, don't panic. Sand back to the primer, clean, and reapply thin coats. This ensures adhesion and a seamless result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.